All right, y'all, you can use whatever fish you would like. I cut my fish in half and I washed all my fish. These are the last little two pieces that I have, and I wanted to record these pieces so you guys can see me frying the fish. So let's throw these in the batter. Okay, right here we have your liquid batter with just milk and eggs, and you can season it however way you would like. So I got that in here soaking, and then we're gonna throw them in the dry batter. Okay, so this is our dry batter right here, and I done covered them already. So you fully cover them so they can go into the hot grease. Okay, guys, I forgot to mention that this dry batter is mixed with flour and fish fry, New Orleans fish fry, and this is the Louisiana fish fry brand. So you just mix that up both together with the flour and you will get this batter. All right, guys, so far I got these frying right now, and of course you let them fry until they start floating. These are almost done, so I'm about to put them on some paper towels, and I will show you guys how they look. This is the fish that I fried so far, guys. So you can see that they are pretty good size, and we're gonna put them in a sandwich, and I'll be back to show you the sandwich. And the fried fish fillet sandwiches are done. I added some tartar sauce in here, and we're about to chow down. All right, y'all, let's take a bite. It's really good. I prefer the sandwiches out of anything. This is better than the McDonald's fish fillet. It's gonna be a quick Walmart haul. I don't think I ever did a Walmart haul in here. If I did, I don't remember. But we will get started. So let's begin. Okay, so guys, we found a waffle maker on the clearance aisle. Now y'all know I'm frugal, so we my husband really liked this waffle maker, and it was on sale for $11.98. Regularly I think $24, but it had like some tape on it, so he's gonna check to see if all the pieces are all there. If not, it's going back to the store. But this was a good deal from Walmart. Okay, I also got this Downy Calm. I like to use that. That's some fabric softener. Let's see, I got me some spring water. Some spring water right here. And I usually wipe down all my my packages with some Lysol wipes. Here I got some Famous Seasoned fries, Checkers fries, and I'm gonna make with my my fried fish. I'm gonna make some sandwiches, guys, because you know it's Lent season, so we can't have meat on Fridays, so we're gonna have that. I found this in the clearance aisle too. I think it was like $2, either $1 or $2. I can't remember, but they don't have the price on here. But it's supposed to go with a spatula, but I didn't see the spatula. But I wanted this mitten, so I just got it. Okay, so I got some Oak Leaf Vineyard Sweets Peach White wine. I seen someone on TikTok talking about this wine. They had the strawberry rosé one. I think that's how you pronounce it. And I wanted to try all the flavors, so I didn't want to get the whole bottle of wine because I might not like the taste. So I decided to get these little containers. And this as well. This was one flavor, the strawberry rosé. That's the one that person had on TikTok that I wanted to try. And they also had this one, so I'm gonna be trying that with you guys on a different video. It's not gonna be on this video. I also got this from Walmart. It says just add tequila. It's tequila sunrise. I never had this before. I don't know how this goes, but this is the directions. This was only like $1.96, something like that. But me and my husband, we're gonna try it out. It says you can make 20 infused cocktails with this. Like, have you guys seen this before? Let me know if you have. I also got some fish fry, and I got 4 of those. I got some hamburger buns because I'm gonna be frying the fish and we're gonna be eating it as sandwiches, fish sandwiches. I bought some lemons to go with my water, some cheese to go with the fillet fish, some shredded lettuce. I also got some milk. Some milk here. There's the milk. And some tartar sauce. Some tartar sauce here. I got this off of clearance because I like to do my own nails. So this is the dip powder. It's like $3.76 on sale. I got this as well. This is a little phone charm, $3 on sale. I got some antibacterial hand soap, white tea and berry. And also some deodorant. Let's see. Oh, I dropped it. I hope you enjoyed this haul, guys. I want to do a little more Walmart hauls for you. I just be forgetting. Like, I'm serious. I be forgetting to do it. So by the time I done put up everything and wiped everything down, which I'm about to go do that, cause you know, you never know who been touching on it, got germs or whatever. Well, the C word, say it like that, been going around. So we just make sure we wipe all the groceries down so we don't bring all those germs in the house. I mean, everybody does theirs a little differently, and that's how we do ours. So I'm glad you was able to see this haul, and maybe you seen some stuff you would like to try. Let me know in the comment section if you do. Also thumbs up this video if you like this video, guys, and let me know if you want to see more Walmart hauls, because I'm gonna show you next time. I'm gonna have them all out for you so you can clearly see them better. But I just wanted to make sure I do that before I forget, because I'm always forgetting and I want to do the Walmart hauls for y'all. So don't forget to share this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you guys are notified each time I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye, my minkies.